Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Aura channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to pin the list on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start it. First we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, don't forget to go to home in the below of the left corner. And if you're done, you can go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means it's your picture profile or your people profile picture, because if you done to ever to make it change, okay, click on the symbol in the upper of the left corner. And the next step, you can go to the list. Go to the list. Okay, before I give you tutorial how to pin the list, I just suggest you that the function of the pin the list is to make you more easier to know about your list, and it's to make you more easier to make it search your list. Okay, and the tutorial is how to pin it. You can just to click the pin symbol in the beside of your list that you want to be pinned. Okay, click on until has the blue one, and now your list has a pin in the upper of the list here, so it's a make it easy to you to find about the list. Okay, I think it's enough how to pin the list on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.